Hello friends, welcome back to my Learn Easy Math channel. Friends, as you know that I have been just teaching you through my channel on the green board with my appearance. But today is something, a different form and different trend is going to start, that I am going to solve the problems to your kind notice, writing on the paper. So please watch it carefully and don't forget to subscribe and share it. Today I am going to show you the formula to be derived from quadratic equation. What is a quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, for this we have to derive the formula. How to derive the formula? There are two methods from which the formula can be derived. One method is, as you know very well, that completing square method, and I am not going to show you that method today. I am going to show you the Sreedhar's method, that is to be multiplied with the 4a to the whole equation. For this quadratic equation, you have to multiply the whole whole equation with 4a. Alright. Now 4a is going to multiply all the terms inside the bracket, which is a quadratic equation. 4a into ax square, it is a 4a square x square. 4a into bx, it is 4abx. 4a into c, it is 4ac is equal to 0. This 4a multiplied all the terms inside the bracket. Now what you need to do, there is an additional thing to be added. Okay, what is that? B square to be added, at the same time to be subtracted. Alright, now what you should do now? Add b square and subtract b square. 4a square x square plus 4abx plus b square minus b square plus 4ac is equal to 0. Okay. The very important thing what we require to do here is we have to make it a perfect square. Alright. Now the first and last, as usual, they are a 100% and absolutely perfect square. 4 is a perfect square, a square x square is a perfect square. As a whole, it can be written as 2ax whole square plus, and you see the last term, it is b whole square. If you want to just complete the perfect square, the first and last terms are a square plus b square form, and it can be written as 2ax plus into b. Now it is going to complete a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is minus b square plus 4ac is equal to 0. Now how you are going to write it is as in the form of a perfect square. 2ax plus b whole square minus b square plus 4ac is equal to 0. Now you just entire this quantity to be transferred onto the right hand side. 2ax plus b whole square is equal to, it goes to the right side, minus b will become plus b square plus 4ac will be minus 4ac. Okay, on either side it is a perfect square. Now you have to remove this square. It is just 2ax plus b is equal to square root of plus or minus b square minus 4ac. Okay, now it is 2x plus b is equal to plus or minus b square minus 4ac. 2ax is equal to, again I transfer this b to the right side, plus b will be minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac. But we know the root of the equation. What is a root? It is a variable. Quadratic equation, in variable x. So we want x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac, and this 2a comes to the right hand side as in the form of a denominator. This is our required formula. By this way we can easily derive the quadratic equation. I hope you understood well.